Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to find the prime factor of a number. So let's start this. In the first line, this defines a function named prime factors that takes a single argument n. This function will compute and return the list of prime factors of n. Now in the next line, an empty list named factors initialized. This list will be used to store the prime factors of n. Now, this loop checks if n is divisible by 2. The condition n%2 is equals to 0 evaluates to true if n has a remainder of 0 when divided by 2. Now, in the next line, if n is divisible by 2, 2 is added to the factors list. Here in the next line, the value of n is updated by dividing it by 2, which ensures that n becomes an integer. This loop continues until n is no longer divisible by 2, effectively removing all factors of 2 from n. Now, in the next line, a variable I is initialized to 3. This will be used to check odd prime factors. In the next line, this loop runs as long as I is less than or equal to n. The loop checks odd numbers starting from 3 because all even factors have already been extracted. Here in the next line, inside the loop, this condition checks if n is divisible by I. In the next line, if n is divisible by I is added to the factors list. Nextly, the value of n is updated by dividing it by I using floor division. Now in the else part, if n is not divisible by I, the value of I is incremented by 2 to check the next odd number. In this step, it is keeping the even number. Now, after extracting the all prime factors of n, the factor list is returned as the output of the function. Here, in the next line, the program prompts the user to enter a number using input. Now, in the next line, the prime factor function is called with num as the argument. The resulting list of prime factor is stored in the variable factors. Now, this last line, the prime factors of the number are printed to the console using fstring for formatting. So let's check this program. As I am entering 18, hence prime factors of 18 are 2, 3 and 3. So thanks for watching this video.